Have you ever wondered what the top 7 ornamental grasses are? These graceful plants add texture, movement, and year-round interest to any landscape. They're not just eye candy, but also a vital element in garden design. Let's dive into our list of the top 7 ornamental grasses. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the maiden grass. Known for its silvery plumes and long, slender leaves, this grass brings a sense of elegance to any garden. Its resilient nature and year-round beauty make it a fantastic choice for those seeking a graceful, arching display. Moving on to number 6, the fountain grass. This ornamental grass is distinguished by its arching, cascading form and feathery bottle brush seed heads. Its playful movement in the wind adds an enchanting dynamic to any landscape. A lovely addition for a touch of whimsy in your garden. Rapid fire time. Numbers 5 to 3 are the blue oat grass, feather reed grass, and switchgrass. Blue oat grass is striking with its silver-blue blades, perfect for a dash of cool color. Feather reed grass, on the other hand, stands tall and golden, adding a regal touch. Lastly, switchgrass offers a variety of colors from green to red, creating a dynamic display. All three offer unique aesthetics and are a delight to have in any garden. And now, the top 2. At number 2, Japanese forest grass, a true spectacle with its cascading waves of bright golden leaves. Perfect for shady areas, it sways gently, creating a serene woodland atmosphere. At number 1, the majestic purple moor grass. This tall, perennial grass with its purplish-green leaves and distinctive purple flowers brings a dramatic flair to any garden, thriving in both sun and partial shade. Both of these grasses truly are the jewels of the ornamental grass world. And there you have it, the top 7 ornamental grasses to add texture and movement to your garden. From maiden grass to purple moor grass, each brings a unique charm. A garden with these beauties is a sight to behold. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!